Gohala. Duka maduong' mar Naivas oyao bade machielo e chuny boma ma Nairobi kata Nairobi Central Business District. Duka manyien noero koro en duka mar auchiel mar Naivas e chuny boma ma Nairobi. Kama moko yudore Ronald Ngala, Moi Avenue, Development House, Lifestyle Food Mart, kod Muindi Mbingu Express. Duka noero oyao Aga Khan Walk Uchumi House.
Happy we're here to launch the 77th store countrywide. Quite happy also that this also is our 6th store in the CBD. In the whole Nairobi region, we're happy that we're going into what we call iconic sites, where clearly we are solving a customer problem. There has been an issue of lack of enough capacity to serve this particular end of the street for customers. And we can actually clearly see the pressure in our Moi Avenue branch, development branch, and also the people who had to cross over all the way from the government road going back towards Moi Avenue past. So this becomes a very important opening for us. It's also a good day having